Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, multiplication, division and subtraction. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 7, B is 70, C is 120 and D is 210. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve any arithmetic expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first. After the bracket, you have to see power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. What you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. So now we have to go to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve bracket, and if a bracket contains an inner bracket, so we have to solve first a smallest bracket, which is 8 minus 6. This one we have to solve first. Multiply by 21 divided by 3 multiply by 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2. And here we have 8 minus 6 equal to. Now, move forward. We have to go again left to right to solve the bracket or parenthesis. So here we have two operations. One is division, another one is multiplication. So what we have to do, we have to go, according to the rule, we have to go for division and multiplication left to right. If either you are using PAMDAS or BODMAS, you have to follow same step. What we have to do, you have to go left to right inside the bracket and find out which is coming first. So inside the bracket, we have first 20 divided by 3. We have to write like 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2. Why we do not solve, we are not solving this one. First, we have to solve complete bracket. So here we have bracket, so we have to solve this one. And here we have to give the reference 21 divided by 3 equals to 7. Now we have to see, again we have a bracket which is 7 multiplied by 2. So we have to solve 5 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2 which is 14. And here we have to give the reference 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 14. Now we have two terms which are multiplying each other. So we will multiply both of them and get the answer is 70. So the answer of the given expression is 70. If you say the answer is answer B is correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can easily solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.